It's only been a couple of days and it has been such an incredible trip so far. I think what I deeply connected with is the fact that Sikkim is such a climate first, environment first, green first state. For somebody like me, my life's passion is sustainability, working around climate, environment conservation. So for me, I resonated very deeply with everything that the state stands for. It is so beautiful. I have to say, you guys are so lucky. You literally live in heaven. I don't think there was ever a time that I saw a single view where I was like, oh my God, wow. And the food is incredible. I experienced a local meal today from the Bhutia community. I hope I get everything right. If I mispronounce anything, please forgive me. It's my first time over here. But yeah, the culture is fantastic. The people are so nice. They've been so warm. And a special shout out to the tourism department because they really, really have taken such good care of us. So thank you so much. To begin with, I'm a very, very patriotic person. And I was very excited about visiting the border. And once you go there, you just realize how much our armed forces do for us. And we as civilians don't really do that much back for them. And every time I have an opportunity of interacting with anybody from the armed forces, I just feel so deeply indebted and full of gratitude. And just being at the border, I was like, that's China, and I went through the history of everything that had happened over there. I spoke to so many officers, and it was very cold. So breathtakingly beautiful up there. And I was just filled with this sense of extreme pride for everything that our country does to protect us. And at the Changu Lake, am I pronouncing it right? Yes, okay. It's beautiful. And what I love the most is that every part of Sikkim has a story, has a folklore. We also went to Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir. There is just so much faith everywhere. And yeah, it was beautiful. At the monastery, again, I was very, very lucky that I got to spend a lot of time, learned a lot about the history and what the monastery stands for, looked at every single painting, and honestly, I was in awe. I also meditated and prayed over there. Just the energy, the vibration was so incredible. I was telling my friends it was probably one of my quickest and strongest meditation sessions that I had over there, just because of the energy and the vibration that the place has.
Ma'am, anything you want to tell about Sikkim sustainability, maybe green Sikkim,
To begin
climate?
with, I want to congratulate everybody over here, the people in places of power that are deciding what policy and infrastructure and legislation in the state in Sikkim should be like. Because I feel now more than ever, we need climate first policy. We need other states to actually get inspired by what Sikkim is doing, where banning your single use plastic is concerned, and just your general empathy and love towards nature. I really hope that other parts of the world, not just in India, get inspired by it. To me, as somebody who's a nature lover, I think I'm going to keep coming back to Sikkim. And one of the biggest reasons is the way you worship nature. I really pray that I get to do a film over here. I really hope that there is some film that I can get and we can shoot it. जी एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया खाना खाया पिछले 2 दिनों में, बट वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट मील्स वाज हियर. एंड हमने भूटिया कम्युनिटी का जो लोकल वेजिटेरियन खाना, आई नो इज वेरी मीट हैवी, बट दे मेड एन एक्सेप्शन फॉर मी. और मेरे लिए पूरी वेजिटेबल थाली बनाई गई थी जिसमें अलग अलग तरीके के लोकल चीज़ विद लॉट्स ऑफ बटर. देयर वाज अ मिलेट मोमो एंड बहुत नाम है जो मैं आई आई डोंट रिमेम्बर व्हाट द नेम्स ऑफ. बहुत सारी अलग अलग सब्जियां थी. बैम्बू शूट था, आई थिंक राई का साग था, निंग्रो, निंग्रो निंग्रो का साग था, and there was corn rice and imadashi. There's so much. I am actually very full right now, and it was just very tasty. What I particularly loved about the meal is that these are dying recipes, dying technique, जो हमारे ancestors ने ये सारे प्रोसेसेस सोचे थे, उन सबको यहाँ पे वो प्रिजर्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, विच आई थिंक इज़ इनक्रेडिबल। मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि सिर्फ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय टूरिस्ट नहीं, जो हमारे राष्ट्रीय टूरिस्ट है, हमें कहीं ना कहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए। जब हम किसी और के घर जाते हैं, हम वहाँ पे कचरा नहीं फेंक कर आते। अगर कोई मेरे घर आएगा और वो कचरा फेंकेगा, क्या मुझे अच्छा लगेगा? आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट रिस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज्म इज़। एंड जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं, देखिए कि आप लिटर ना करें, और लिटर कर रहे हैं तो अपने साथ अपना कचरा वापस लेके जाइए। वहाँ के कल्चर को रिस्पेक्ट करिए, वहाँ के लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट करिए, वहाँ की भाषा को रिस्पेक्ट करिए। आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट रिस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज्म इज़।